Now this brings us to the important topic of hemolysis and the blood film. Hemolysis is poorly understood outside haematology and rarely even considered in a patient with anemia. To help avoid confusion, I suggest an ordered 3-step approach to diagnosis. Step 1 is the patient hemolyzing. To tell you this, you need a combination of biochemical tests, and the most specific is a raised LDH, lactate dehydrogenase, and a reduced haptoglobin. Now you may also see an increase in bilirubin and polychromasia or increase in reticulocytes. So once the answer to step 1 is yes, they are hemolyzing, step 2, you'd like to know, is it immune or non-immune hemolysis? And to tell you that, you need to do a direct antiglobulin test, otherwise known as a Coombs test. Now, a positive Coombs test will inform you that there is antibody or complement adhering to the red cell surface causing destruction. That can, of course, either be warm or cold autoimmune hemolysis. If the Coombs test is negative, you will need a combination of history and blood film analysis to determine the cause. Step 3 really is, what is the specific cause? Now, a brief guide here is that warm Coombs positive autoimmune hemolysis can be idiopathic due to CLL, due to diseases like lupus. So that's warm. Cold autoimmune hemolysis can be due to low-grade lymphoproliferative diseases or acute viral or bacterial infections. But if you have a Coombs negative hemolytic anemia, you will need a combination of the history plus the blood film. So just how does the blood film help us interpret or diagnose hemolysis? So the key to hemolytic anemia is the presence of different poikilocytes, and that is the topic of our next section.